like squeezed my balls. But I'm gonna do it anyways and see if he follows me here. Yep, he does. Damn, that guy behind me is driving fast. Damn, that guy behind me is driving fast. He's catching up to me. And I'm going fast as well. I hope it's not a cop. Let's see if he can race me through these twisties here. I'm not going full beam though, so I could go even faster. I'm gonna do a little test to see if this guy's following. I'm gonna take a right here, which is actually not the way I was gonna go. But I'm gonna do it anyways and see if he follows me here. Yep, he does. Okay, now I'm gonna take a left. But I'm still gonna, you know, indicate where I'm going. Let's see. Yep, he's following me. Could be coincidence, but maybe not. Okay, he was not following me. Whew. Now my heartbeat, it went back to normal. I was quiet there for quite some time, because I was kind of, you know, thinking of things that could happen if there was like an off-duty cop who was like gonna pull me over or go up to me when I stopped and be like, you were driving too fast. So you know, my mind was he was going through all different kinds of stressy scenarios, because you know, it doesn't even matter if you did something bad. If someone's following you, and it's scary. No matter what you did, you could have been doing nothing wrong, and if someone's following you, it's scary. It's scary, and it's even more scary if you might have gone over the speed limit a little, and then someone's following you. That's even scarier, man. And that guy, I think it was to let me by. That's a G move, man. That's nice. People who do like that, they go to the side of the road to let you go by. They're nice people. I have some back pain. Oh, it hurts. Man, I need some like massage or something. There's like a bump in the road somewhere here, so I need to be careful. And there it is. Oh, they need to fix those kinds of stuff, because once I hit I drove in that bump and I didn't know there was a bump, so I was going the normal speed that you usually go on that road, and then there was a bump, boom, and I was sitting so far up that like squeezed my balls, and it was not nice. That hurt quite a lot, to be honest. And it's an experience that I would not like to have again. I would very much like it if that was the only time that I had that experience. And so far, it has been. it out, see if there's any nice things going on. Hey, that guy's driving without his lights on. That's kind of reckless. Damn it. My nose is itching. That guy looked happy. I think it's because he had a bicycle. Two-wheeled vehicles, they make you happy. Doesn't matter if it's a motorcycle or if it's a bicycle, they make you happy. So get a two-wheeled vehicle if you want to be happy. That's my life advice for you today. In the winter, if it's cold enough, you can walk on that lake because it's frozen. I haven't seen it if it froze last year, but the year I got my license for my car, I took it up here, met my friend who also took his license that day, and we went out on that lake and we just walked, and it was kind of chill. It was some chill vibes. Man, I remember the days, the early days of having your license. Now when I upgraded my license, it doesn't feel special because I'm on the same bike so far. But you know, when I first got my moped license, my A1 license, my A2 license, my car license, those were the best days, the early days of having a license. Just enjoying the freedom of you know, being able to go wherever you want. That was so awesome. That guy was like going pretty fast on his bicycle, but not fast enough for me, because I am speed. Not I show speed, I'm speed. You know, when you go fast.